Hey, I want to welcome you back to the farm. It's a beautiful day, first warm, semi-warm day we've had in 2 or 3 weeks. And I had a little something going wrong here with my water, and I've never seen this before. And I'm gonna take this one out and I'll show it to you what I'm talking about. So, but I got a new one. It's not a new one. It's kind of a spare I had. So I'll show you what's wrong with this one. I guess it's got untied. So let me untie it and I'll bring it up here. So the bottom busted out of it. I guess it froze. Well, usually when it froze, you know, the ice will, the ice will rise up to the top. Even if it's, I've had them freeze solid, you know, not do this, but yeah, that bottom is completely busted out of it. So, my dadgum bucket's ruined. Don't mind these as much, but I hate running a bucket like that. So, but I got another one. I made 2 of them. Might be these old cheap buckets, you reckon? This one's got sawdust in it. So let's put this one in and. I'm gonna check the height. I like it, so. All right, let's throw a little water in it. So when it gets really, really cold, like it has been, like really below freezing for days, I'll leave those in there, but I have a little pan that I throw in there. I keep water in it. So, and then when it thaws, you know, it goes back to all right. Those other 2's all right. They've been through 2, 3 bad winters. So I don't know if it got hung up on something, the ice, and forced it out the bottom, or just maybe got too heavy. I don't know. Maybe it did that too. I don't know. Anyway. I got a new one in there. It's working like a hot dog. And this is really the first day we've had to be able to get out and really not be frigid. It's a beautiful day today. So let's go check the goats, and I want to check on my garlic, so we'll go check on it. I haven't checked on it since it's been so cold, so let's go do all that before we get started on that other stuff. No eggs today, so if it keeps weather like this, I mean, they're gonna have to start laying sooner or later. I know Allison said the eggs were like $5 a dozen at the grocery store, so I hope they start laying, because we just sell ours for $3. You get a better product for $3. Anyway, when they start laying, I'll let people know. So Allison's up there on the grill cooking supper. If I show her, she'll get mad. She's easing back now. She's easing back where I can't get her. Anyway, all right, well, let's go check on some goats. Okay, we're gonna do a baby check. No babies. I need to see if they're, see what y'all look like. Turn around here. Yeah, the little hatefulness. Let me get some feed in. Well, they look big. Look at them. Look, every one of them looks fat. Let me get a little feed and throw down there, and we'll see if we can see any udders. Development. Udder development. Udder development, yeah. Well, I can't really tell. I'm gonna have to. This is really the. I have to get Allison down here to help me to check that. All right, let's go down there and check the garlic since it's been so cold. I haven't checked it since. I haven't checked it since we had this real cold spell. So let's go check it and see how it's doing. Okay, we're down here at the garlic patch, and man, I think it all looks really good. Look. There's a couple blank spots, but I mean, it's all down through here. It's really good. Of course, this is our first time growing garlic, so we'll probably harvest it. I guess we'll put it sell at the farmer's market or at the farm stand. I don't know which. Yeah, every bit of this looks good. Sorry, I'm a little under the weather. My nose is running. Yeah, it's all the way down here. So that's a good sign. Yeah, I was kind of worried about it when it got so cold, and I think I actually come down here and put some more straw. Well, it's not straw, but hay over it, and it's come up through that pretty good. So I'm pretty anxious to harvest it, see what it looks like. Yeah, look at this garden. Won't be long, it's all be tilled up, then we'll all be green, growing with vegetables. I'm ready. Got my last of my seed order in today from Baker's Creek and this new company that I'm trying. Got it in the mail. A little disappointed with the one, but we'll see how it does. Not Baker's Creek, but the other one, Thresh or something like that. I'll look at it and I'll talk about it on the live. We do a live every Monday night at 7:30, so I'll give you a little update on that and see what I think. I got kind of a big, I got a pretty good size order, I thought, because I wanted a bunch of sorghum seeds, but it just come in one little pack. So I don't know. Hope there's enough. I have the worst luck with sorghum. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up. Them babies come. I was just looking again after I turned the camera off. I think Gigi's about ready to pop. The other one, one of the sisters, the udder, I got in there and looked. It's kind of hard to film by yourself. That's why I said I need somebody else. But it don't look like it's dropped, and I'm not 100% sure she's pregnant, but I hope so. The other one looks like the udder's dropped. She don't look like she's quite ready to pop. But the other one, Gigi, I think she's got twins. So I thought that last time she only had one big old boy. So I hope we don't have another big old boy. I hope we have 2 girls. I actually hope we have six girls, but I'll take 4 girls. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down on the farm next video.